So this frame right here is bad, so we need to cut this piece from the bottom, scrape this, put a new piece, glue it, spackle it, sand it off, and paint it. The piece out, and we cut it. Now we put that piece. Now we're gonna sand off, putty, let it dry, and then sand off again. Possibly putty one more time. Now it's ready. Now we're gonna sand it off with the sander with about an 80 grit at the beginning, and then we will put like 220, then putty it and wait until it dries, and then we paint it. Okay, so now we have to put this piece of plastic back in the groove right here. Just push it in, and it goes in the groove because there is a groove here. You see that? Now the door is smooth and ready to paint, prime and paint. Also the other side was bad, I didn't show you guys, but we did both sides. As you see right here, it's much better than before.